Oh, we're going to the Hukilau, the Hukilau. The Hukilau song is a really fun, we call it a hapa song, like a half white, half white, half Hawaiian. It's a pop song from the 1940s written by Jack Owens. It's, we can call it a Hawaiian song. It's more of an American song about Hawaii and about the Hukilau, which is a fishing party. And I'm not going to teach you all the lyrics in this. You can easily find the lyrics, but I do want to teach you how to play the song. I really like this song because you can play it in F, but there's no 4 chord, so that you don't have to play the B flat bar chord. Whew. So it's, pretty simple. It's a 4 chord song, and here's how you play it. You're going to need, let's go to the overhead, the chord view. Hello. So this is what you're seeing when you look down, and we're going to use the F chord. We're going to use, in this case, I'm going to do the easy D7 chord. You can do the bar chord if you want, but I'm just going to use the easy D7. We're going to use G7, and we're going to use C7. And that is our 5 chord, of course, going back to F. So I'll call out the chords as I go, but I'm going to do it section by section. So the first thing is I will play you part of the song so you can hear it in case you're not familiar with the Hukilau song. And again, it's about going to a fishing party and getting all the fish scooped up in your net. It's a cute little song. I like to add movement to this. Maybe if we have time, I'll show you some of the moves that I use with my groups when I do music therapy and music education. So let's go to the Hukilau. First, we're going to start with a Hawaiian vamp, which is the 5 of 5, in this case G7, and then we're going to go to the C7 chord, and then to F. And we're going to do that a couple times. It sounds like this. You guys know the sound. All right, that's G7, C7, F. Here we go. Oh, we're going to the Hukilau. This is on F. The Huki, C7. Everybody loves the Hukilau, where the lau lau is a cow at the big luau. Right? So that was just F for a while, C7 for a while, and then back to F right before we go to the second half of what is actually the chorus, but we're going to call it the verse. We're going to call it the first section. We throw our nets, and that's on D7, into the sea, and all the ama come swimming to me. That's on G7. Oh, just a beat of C7. Oh, we're going to the Hukilau. Hukilau. So those are the same chords we just played. Let's go through the whole first part of the song from the beginning, and I will tell you the chords this time, and I won't sing you can look up the lyrics. It's really easy to find. Here we go, vamp. And that is G7, C7, F, F to the Hukilau. F, C7, 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 F. Get ready. D7, G7, C7, F, and D7, G7, C7, F. Oh, we're going to the Hukilau, the Hukilau. Everybody, it's true, loves the Hukilau, where the lau lau is a cow at the big luau. We throw our nets out into the sea, and all the ama come swimming to me. Those are fish. We're going to the Hukilau, the Hukilau. Second part. What a wonderful day for fishing on F, the old Hawaiian way. G7. Oh, C7. The Hukilau nets. We'll do it again. Down by old Laie Bay. So let's do that middle part. I made a mistake, so let's do it again. What a wonderful day. So we just stay on F there. What a wonderful day for fishing. It is the old Hawaiian C7, the are swishing to G7, G7 and C7. Oh, we're going. All right, so that's the middle part. And then you just go back to the first part. So what I like to do, let me show you some moves you can do, because I always do this with a group, and you can do it standing or sitting. You can do the hula hands. You get everybody doing their lovely hula hands. So here's some movements that you can try with your groups. We're pedaling, or we're running to the Hukilau. Huki means pull, so Hukilau, pull. The Hukilau. And then everybody loves the Hukilau, where the lau is the cow. The lau is the food. Lau is like a Hawaiian tamale. Look it up. Amazing. Lau is the cow. At the big luau, we throw our nets into the sea, and all the amma come swim into me. That's right, I'm gonna get them. Oh, we're going to the Hukilau, the Hukilau. What a wonderful day for fishing. The old Hawaiian way. The Hukilau nets are swishing down by old Laie Bay. And that's some moves that you can use. There's other people teaching how to do the hands or the dance if you'd like, but those are some easy moves that you can try with your groups. All right. Hey, before you click away, please like the video. That really helps us out here on the Ukulele Club. Subscribe to the channel because we're always adding new content. Hit the bell so you get notifications. If you are an educator and you teach ukulele, or you have students or you're a music educator, go to Teachers Pay Teachers and look up the Ukulele Club multimedia resource. Full of stuff. There's a free sample there. You can connect with me more at kalanimusic.com. Thanks for being here with me and learning the Hukilau song by Jack Owens and listening to Grandma's Style 1 Martin soprano ukulele from the 1940s, early 1950s. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm Kalani. Thanks for making music.